Struggling with how to do a successful Salesforce LinkedIn integration? Then you have landed at the right place because we have got the right tips and tricks for you that are going to transform the way you use CRM and social networking for better output. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Analogy's YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with your queries and suggestions, and subscribe to our channel to stay one step ahead in the tech world. So, without any further ado, let's begin with the video. Well, Salesforce and LinkedIn, the two biggest power sources in business growth, when combined can supercharge your sales and marketing efforts like never before. One secret tip to kickstart your integration is to create custom LinkedIn fields in Salesforce. This allows you to store valuable LinkedIn data within your CRM, providing a 360-degree view of your contacts. Another powerful trick is to automate lead generation from LinkedIn to Salesforce. With the right tools and setup, you can have new connections and leads flow directly into your CRM. Synchronizing contact data is another game-changing trick. Keep your Salesforce contacts up to date with LinkedIn profile information automatically. This ensures that you're always working with the latest insights. Here's a secret for marketers. Do integrate your LinkedIn ads campaign with Salesforce, as this lets you track leads and opportunities directly from your ad campaigns, making your marketing efforts highly targeted and effective. Cool, right? Once your integration is in place, it's time to maximize the benefits. Say hi to social selling, another great strategy that combines LinkedIn and Salesforce to identify, connect, and engage with prospects. It's a powerful approach that can skyrocket your sales efforts. So focus on it. Also, do not forget to use the personalized data from LinkedIn's within Salesforce for your outreach. It's the key to building authentic relationships and boosting conversion rates. Well, there you have it, the secret tips and suggestions to achieve a successful LinkedIn integration. Let us know in the comments if you will try this and what results you achieved after this integration. Also, if you found these insights valuable, do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.